You know, you might laugh at me or whatever, I still say it was a soldier.
It was an angel.
No, it definitely was a soldier. Didn't you see that big gun he had in his hands?
It was a fucking angel with a fucking heart. It's bloody obvious.
Stop swearing at me.
Yes, Mum. Whatever you say.
Shit. I can't believe we're arguing over such bullshit.
Hey, calm down. Who's arguing here? No one is. Just talking, alright? Come on, let's relax. Let's enjoy.
Look, it's a tiger.
Why is that a tiger? It's a goddamn sheep.
Are you not gonna start that again?
Don't start what? I'm telling you, it's a sheep.
Oh Jesus, shut the fuck up.
Oh my god. Why are you always right? Why do you
You're
always
always
have to
right,
be
you're condescending,
Ow.
patronising.
I'm just telling you. How does that look like a tiger
Man's
to you?
little world. It's everything you see, never what I see.
He never says it's all right. Tiger.
It's a fucking tiger. Look at it.
I'm looking.
What are you seeing? A pussycat?
Sheep.
Tiny little man you are.